Hi, everyone. My name is Venk Vardhan, co-founder and CEO of Nanowear. We're a New York-based connected self-technology platform for diagnostics and chronic disease management, built upon what we call our core invention of cloth-based nanosensor technology, capable of capturing near-invisible frequency bands of electrical, hemodynamic, sound, audio, biochemical, and actigraphy parameters directly from the skin. What this ultimately does is enable very clean inputs and ultimately stronger analytical outcomes. First application is for Medicare's public enemy number one, congestive heart failure. This is Edna, 67-year-old Medicare patient, grandmother of three, still working. Sadly, she was hospitalized 7 times in 2017. And the scary thing is she's not alone. 6 million other Americans have been diagnosed, $36 billion in annual costs associated with CHF, with hospital providers now being penalized to needing to reduce those hospital readmissions. The standard of care is either too expensive or is ineffective in reducing these readmissions. And that's the unmet clinical need that we are introducing at Nanowear with our first product, Simple Sense. It's a sash-like undergarment that will transmit via a patient's cell phone, a HIPAA-compliant portal where server analytics will detect decompensating heart failure weeks in advance of a hospitalizing event. We are really, really excited about what we have accomplished with this build. We're raising $9 million in an A round. 50% has been committed to by strategics. They're recognizing the cloth-based nanosensor technology. We're the only game in town with that. It's defended with a robust IP portfolio, further defended by our first FDA 510(k) clearance last year, making us the first and only cloth-based remote monitoring system in the world that's been approved by the FDA. And our biggest announcement to date, which we just made last Friday, was a scaled manufacturing announcement with a biotextile certified OEM vendor. Makes us open for business this year. This is going to enable bookings for revenue this year and leading up to inventory for our 400-patient multi-site clinical trial in 2018. This is a product of a very mission-oriented team, but also a very experienced team across academia, med tech, global pharma, venture capital, and material supply chain. Really, really phenomenal team. But I think what's most exciting about what this can become, a cloth-based analytics platform, think about what can be done even beyond CHF. Think about replacing every wired electrode in the ICU with a bed sheet. Think about doing imaging for complex procedures with a hospital gown. Think about a pharmaceutical at-home therapy with a companion device that's easy to use. Think about applications beyond healthcare, industrial use cases, our men and women on the battlefield, our EMTs, our firefighters. All of these markets are available to this cloth-based system, but we felt that if we could nail a complex disease state like CHF and help our highest risk patients first, gravity would pull us into these markets. But most importantly, we can help Edna and the millions of others suffering from this incurable disease get back to the life they deserve. Thank you.